Unravel the mystery of interrogative pronouns. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of English grammar. We'll be focusing on a special group of pronouns called interrogative pronouns. These special pronouns help us ask questions and gather information. So, let's dive right in. Interrogative pronouns are the words we use to make our sentences into questions. They are the main actors when we want to find out something. There are only a handful of them in English, which makes them easy to remember. Here they are: who, whom, whose, which, and what. Don't worry, we'll break down each of these pronouns and provide examples to ensure you understand them clearly. Let's start with the first three: who, whom, and whose. Who is used to ask about the subject of a sentence. For example, who ate the cake? Here, we want to know the person who performed the action of eating the cake. Whom is more formal, and it's used to ask about the object of a sentence. For example, whom did you invite to the party? Here, we want to know the person who received the action of being invited. Whose is used to ask about possession. For example, whose book is this? Here, we are asking about the owner of the book. Moving on to the next two: which and what. Which is used when we are choosing or identifying from a specific group of items or people. For example, which book do you want? Here, the speaker assumes that the listener has a specific set of books in mind. What is used to ask about general information or when the choices are unlimited. For example, what is your favorite book? Here, the speaker does not limit the listener's choices. Now that we've gone through each of them, let's see a few more examples in a conversational setting to help you better understand their usage. Who is your best friend? Whom did you give the letter to? Whose coat is this? Which dress are you going to wear for the party? What is the time? Through these examples, you can see how these pronouns can be used to inquire about people, possessions, choices, and general information. And there we have it. We've uncovered the mystery behind interrogative pronouns in English. Remember, they're the key to asking questions and obtaining information in conversations. So next time you're curious about something, make sure to use these pronouns to get the answers you need. Thanks for joining us today and keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy learning.